raining. No hiking today, just hunkering down. So that is an eggplant jam. These are all jams. Fig jam and strawberry jam. In addition to olives, potatoes, ham, cheese, baklava, tomatoes, herbs, cucumbers, chilies, eggs, coffee, Turkish coffee. The Turks here take their breakfast very seriously.
How for you?
So I've had 2 Nescafes, a tea, and now a Turkish coffee. I'm ready for breakfast. I'm ready for the day. What do you have? The chicken soup? Mm-hmm. Your soups here are great. You never really need to order a salad because every meal, even the small one, comes with a beautiful salad. Okay, these things are called pitas. Pide, which is kind of like a pita. And this has got minced meat on it.